Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send USDT from Tonkeeper to Bybit. Now, in order to move your tokens from the Tonkeeper wallet, that's the Web3 wallet, over to your centralized exchange being Bybit, it's quite easy. Open up the Tonkeeper application. Once it's opened up, please make sure you have some Toncoin to cover your gas fees. If you do not have Ton to cover your gas fee, use the buy or sell option to simply buy or sell Toncoin to cover your gas fees. So guys, once you've gotten yourself some Toncoin, click on the USDT, click on the send option. Once you've clicked on send, you're taken to the menu where you have to provide a receiving address as well as the comment. Now minimize and simply open up your Bybit. Once you've opened up Bybit, where we have the deposit icon, click on deposit. Click on deposit crypto at the bottom of the screen. Use the search icon to search for USDT. So click on USDT. Once you've selected USDT, scroll till you find the Ton, which is at the bottom. Click on Ton. Now this wallet requires a memo and an address. So copy its address, paste the address there. Where it says comment, copy the comment or tag, paste the comment here. Once you've pasted it, click on continue, enter the amount of USDT you wish to send out, and simply click on continue, and your USDT will be sent from your Tonkeeper wallet over to the Bybit. And that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.